Yes, I'm riding bitch here. Let's go! Let's go! We're gonna stop down here and then we're gonna switch. Freedom! I feel like I'm gonna get killed here. I said I feel like I'm gonna get hurt here. Watch out, the little girl walking out. I'm cutting the grass early in the morning. Man, she's having a rough time there. All right, folks. We had some transmission problems, and we're on our way to get our truck. Not really transmission problems. They were just overheating and pulling that new trailer. We took it to our dealer, and at the beginning, and said, "Hey, we got a trailer. Now we're gonna start pulling. Can you make sure the transmission was good and ready to go?" But it wasn't ready to go. So we're on our way to pick up the truck now. It's at Quality Transmission out here in Rapid City, and they've seen hopefully got it fixed. They did. They took the pan off, make sure there was no heat problems, or debris and stuff like that. So it looked like it was pretty clean, my understanding. And yeah, rock and roll. Are we sure you're going the right way? All right, you ain't going to Three Rivers, are you? Like we did yesterday. Yeah. So I thought we came from that way. That's the reason I was curious. All right. Very good. Let's go this way. We'll spend another hour like we did yesterday. Yeah. But I wish you could hear her right now, but you can't. So they did a temperature, I guess, some kind of block bypass, I guess, to make it conventional cooling. And the way I read, it's the temperatures were getting up to 230 one time, 240, something like that. We went down to 60 miles per hour. After that, we babied it. It probably added about an hour or two to our times on the way to get here. So when we're going to Pikes Peak, we don't want that to happen. And we do have a potential of some rain on the way down, so we'll probably be trailering that way. I was going to ride, but we'll have to see how this fix does, because we might be at a transmission place down there. Hopefully not. But if there's a GMC dealer out there that wants to sponsor the channel with a brand new heavy duty 2500 truck, let us know. We'll put you at the bottom of the damn podcast all freaking year. Give you guys some advertisements. Anyway, hopefully this will be fine. I think we only got, how many minutes is there? 2 there? Arrival time is 8:07, so I'm hoping we're going the right way. So, yeah. Because it seems like this is the same way we went yesterday, and then we went all the way around and came back. But for some reason, it took us some Three Rivers subdivision, and I actually didn't go to the very end because I was like, this is not the right way. There's no way this is the right way. So I did Waze, and it tried to take me to Amico transmissions. And that's not where I wanted to go either. I researched these guys. It seemed like they had some good reviews. Amico did too, but the last 2 ones were like, these guys don't know shit kind of reviews. So I was like, I know how people are, they ain't happy with their service. They'll say whatever they want, even though it might not be factual. But everybody said that they were pretty reasonable. They wouldn't try to sell you on something, which he didn't. He did tell me that I needed to oh no, he said don't buy a truck in this city, because I said, well, if I need a new transmission, I want you to, you know, put the pan back on, put some sawdust on it, and then you know, make sure it runs good so I can trade this sucker in. I'm just kidding. Back in the day, we always had a saying, put some sawdust in the transmission, it runs a lot better. But we ain't gonna do that. But either way, it was a great experience yesterday, driving around this town trying to find a freaking, oh shit, now we don't get, hopefully don't get hit in the ass. Oh, what's up? All right, yeah, I'm back here. They're probably saying that woman's riding that guy. What a man, you know, riding in the back. Man, but I tell you what, the truck prices have come down, and it's very encouraging, which is cool. So hopefully next year we'll get a 2500 to take around and do these podcasts. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I think I'm recording. Hopefully, let's see. Is that red button? Yep, it's recording. Good. So yeah, here I am riding bitch today. Looks like hopefully no rain. There's a lot of clouds today. Low clouds. So we have much to do today. We are going to try to do a podcast in Sturgis. Walk around, talk to people. We'll see what happens, but we do not know if it's going to work. We don't know if the internet's going to crap on us because there's so many people. Come on, let's go. Quit playing with your phone. Well, that's your damn fault. I told you to get a cord yesterday. Great. We have no idea where we're going now. Hopefully it's on your watch. Well, pull over here in the damn gas station, I guess. Drama. Or pull in one of these places. That way we can find out what the... there was a Best Buy somewhere here. Did we pass it already? We're definitely going to turn this way, it looks like. Yeah, we did go this way yesterday, but this was the way we went to the other place. So, pulling the Sonics real quick. There's the Amico transmission right there. Holy smokes, man. You're good. Go for it. Alright. Now going to interstate might have some problems, because on the way back we didn't go on the interstate. So alright. Well, that's a Menards here. Cool. Liquor store. Dakota Butcher. So far, I mean, it's been pretty cool. We've had some fun out here. We went to Mount Rushmore. Did you ever get a chance to go to Mount Rushmore? It's amazing, yeah. It's a freaking amazing. I mean, you can't beat it. It's a great trip. And then we went to, what was the other one we went to? Crazy Horse or something like that? Crazy Horse? They've been working. Yeah, it's going to take a long time for them to get that done. Hopefully they get that done. It does. It's attraction. I mean, you do get what you pay for to go there. I mean, it's still got some cool stuff, and you can see them working on it. But they've been working on it for a long time. Oh, I got it. Railroad tracks. Okay, it's okay. They're smooth. Oh, yo. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's some spiders out here. We've been seeing them all over the place. I mean, this thing's pretty fast. I drove it yesterday, and I was going much faster than her, but we won't say that to people. You guys didn't hear that on the internet, but hopefully her cell phone don't go out again, and we're good. And Just listen, just follow the directions. You'll be fine. Man, that diesel smells good. I like the smell of diesel sometimes. Some diesel stinks, and some diesel smells pretty good. Yeah, I know your direction is challenged. Hey, maybe we should go in the car wash. I know. And the car wash. Can you go? I'm trying to sit back. These Harley riders are probably thinking, what a fool. Hey man, this is a classic right here, man. This is the way it should be. This is a man right here. A man having his woman, Connie Mysterio, taking her to the garage. Gotta get her fixed. I kind of twisted that, turned it around. Hey, there's some Chevy trucks. There's a nice diesel one in there. Hey, that's the place I'm about to look at. But the guy said they're extremely pricey here, which I don't know. I don't know if they are or not. I mean, when I looked on there, the prices were pretty good, like $56,000. Ooh, they got a white one. Oh shit, we gotta come back here. Gotta have white and black. That's my favorite colors. I'm neutral, so I wear a bracelet. I don't know if you can see that right there, but anyway, it's called what is it called? Snowflake. Yeah, that was stupid. Now you're in the turning lane. Get it back over. Get back over. Just get over, man. Don't wait. You know, when you follow orange lines, that means you're a sheep. Just get over. That's what you do. Because if you would have waited for somebody to pull up, then you got to stop. You don't do that. Just get over. Do you know you got to get over? Get over. I'm trying to teach her some stuff. She doesn't do this much. She don't do much riding. Yeah. Yeah, you did. You did fine. That's Sickley's Garage, huh? That's pretty cool. It's like almost like a Quaker Steak and Lube. There's the place. Oh yeah, we're pretty close now. We got to turn somewhere up here. You got somebody behind. Get in the kill zone. Oh my God. Whoa, you got somebody behind you. You can't just slam on your brakes. You got to be. Yeah, there is right there. Oh yeah, they were close enough. Right there, you just passed the road. Yeah, but you just slam on the brakes in the road when you got this middle lane. Oh, there's the truck. It's ready for pickup. I can't wait to get off here too, by the way. Yep. Alright, we're probably not going to do any filming in here because, holy shit, there's an Indian right there. Holy cow. Nice. Yeah, miracle people right here. Alright, we're good. You gotta get off. I gotta get. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my God. Alright, we'll see you guys on the way back. Stop recording. Stop recording.